Alright, back with another Prestige Vinny. If you watched the video right before this, through the die, you got box number 22. 2013-14 Prestige. There we go. Wear off. Your rookie is Jamal Franklin. You got a bonus shot, it's Tyson Chandler. I wish all the cards were the same way. That would be nice. Jersey card, Paul Pierce. It's a masterpiece. Oh, it's materials. Sorry. And base. Back-to-back hits here. Jersey of Dirk Nowitzki. Grizzly Adams. And base. Al Horford. Yeah, franchise. I see a lot of rookies in this one. Chris Paul. Where are the rookies at? Oh, they're in the front on these. Jeez, I'm looking for the back. Alex Len and Tony Snell are your rookies. Okay. The last box, they were all in the back. Got it. Your first rookie, Archie Goodwin, Anthony Bennett, and base. Kyrie, and base. Andre Robertson, Monte, Ellis, Alan Crabb, Bill Walton, and base. Rookie, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Franchise favorites, and base. Sergei Karasov, Ray McCollum, Pioneers Jerry West, base. Rookie of Cody Zeller, just base. Rookie of Ricky Alito. Is that an autograph? Yep. Jeff. Oh, I thought I said Whitey yesterday. I don't know how to say his name actually. I think I said Whitey yesterday. I thought it was W-H-I-T-E-Y. Whitey? Whithay? I don't know. I have to look that one up. Yeah, I think in one of yesterday's breaks I called him Whitey. Connections. And base. Rookie card of Phil Presley. Connections card, Bob Lanier, Greg Monroe. Victor Oladipo. Roy. And that bowler is you, Roy. Rondo. Oh, rookie of Dennis Schrader. And base. Kelly Olynyk, George Mikan. Rookie of Tim Hardaway Jr. Prestigious Greg. And base. Back this way. Ian Clark. Dwight Howard. One autograph left here, Vinny. At least one. Got Michael. Rookie card. Reggie Bullock. Base. Rookie of Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, Oscar Robertson. Two packs to find an autograph. Shabazz Muhammad. Shazam. Carmelo. And there should be an autograph in here. We can only hope. Is there a rookie in there? Yeah, Solomon Hill. And it is Cedric Maxwell, bonus shots. There we go. That's your fourth hit and base. Down in there. Recap what you have. Bonus shot, Cedric Maxwell, Jeff Witte. Dirk Nowitzki, jersey. Paul Pierce, jersey. That'll do it, bud. Vinny, I'll get on the way tonight. See ya.